Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. I'm kicking off with what I wore outfit of the day video. Xena, you can see, Wyatt is over here on bug patrol, so I'm sure you'll catch him at some point during this video. Alright, so for today, it is before 9 a.m. The sun is not out yet. It is 64 degrees, but it's going to get up in the 80s, and I chose a BB Dakota dress from my Armoire. So you didn't see this in my unboxing because I swapped this dress out for the, whoops, hey baby girl, for the BB Dakota white with the red polka dot dress. If you remember that one, it kind of came up high in the front and I wasn't comfortable with that one, so I sent it back because I'm in that unlimited plan where you can get as many items as you want in a month and you can easily just swap it out. So I sent it back and I got this one instead. Loving this dress, so cute. It does have adjustable straps in the back where you can move the button up or down. Colors are so pretty in it. Love the little ruffle on the bottom. Paired it with my Halogen yellow slides. You guys know I love these. And then jewelry that I got in my latest Glamour Jewelry Box, earrings and necklace, and my bracelets from my amazing subscriber. That's my outfit for today. So I hope your week starts off fabulous. I've got lots of work to do for you all, so many boxes to share, and we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, happy Monday. The weekend is over, back to work. It is Monday morning and time for outfit of the day. It's still early. It's only 9:30 in the morning and I got a little bit of a break, decided to get out for the day and early today before it got noisy outside. And Xena's here. Wyatt's all focused on the bugs right now, so I'm totally not interested in what I'm doing. And for today's outfit, I chose a brass dress. This is from my Armoire, you might remember it. Paired it with my silver, or my actually clear, with the silver grommets there, Dolce Vita sandals you've seen before. Got them from Nordstrom. And then I put on my two Ana Luisa silver chains. You might remember from my latest pics from them. Love these, so pretty. Put on a simple pair of silver hoops and a ring from Leah Sophia, I believe it is. And that's my outfit for today. Alright, well I hope your week is starting off fabulous, and the sidekicks and I we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. Someone is mowing behind me and I've been trying to wait for them to go farther away so that it wouldn't be so noisy, but I'm out of time, so we're gonna go for it. It is a beautiful day outside. I thought I would be squinting at you, so I grabbed my sunglasses. For outfit of the day today, I chose a loft outfit. I have on a loft tank, loft shorts. Yes, my Leicester sandals. You're probably getting tired of seeing these. Love this pair with the leopard print. And I have on all of my Your Bijoux Box jewelry on today. I love this set. So that video just posted today. I couldn't wait to get it posted for you so I could start to wear it. And I think all the pieces are amazing, from the earrings to the two necklaces that you can alternate which one's longer, which one's shorter. I also have the bracelet on, which I realized I just took off at my desk for a moment and didn't put it back on. So I actually should have that on for you guys, and the ring. But I had the bracelet on today too. I was in a really long conference call and was putting cream on while I was sitting there, and I took it off to do that. I forgot to put it right back on again. Anyway, that's my outfit for today. Hope everyone is doing well this Tuesday, and I hope you caught yesterday's posting as well, which was my sips buy. So I made the English breakfast tea for this morning, and it was so yummy, so yummy. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday and time for outfit of the day. Today I posted video number 1000. What? So a huge thank you to all of my amazing subscribers who have made that milestone possible. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. So huge amounts of love, appreciation, gratefulness to each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for hanging out with me these last few years, helping my channel grow, supporting me, the encouraging words, all the amazing comments. I love each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you check it out. I shared 7 of my favorite styles in that video. And yeah, please stop by and check it out. All right, so for today's outfit of the day, Sienna's trying to make a break for it, I think, huh? I chose a sanctuary top. I love this tank top. I have it in the pink and then this gray. Got it in a Trendsend. Paired it with the skirt that my stylist paired it with by Sundry, the Saturday skirt in the fun variegated colors. Love. And threw it on with my Mark Fisher sandals I just got. The fun, cute little kitten heel. Just got these in my trunk club. It was the only thing I kept from my latest trunk club. And then I have on Glamour Jewelry Box earrings and Touchstone by Swarovski bracelets and a ring that I got from Leah Sophia quite some time ago. And that's my outfit. I had to get dressed really quick this morning. I had a very long early meeting, and it's kind of been the theme for the day. So this is an incredibly comfortable outfit for a long day, let me tell you. So, all right, it's sunny out today, hence the sunglasses, so I'm not squinting at you all. Hope you are doing fabulous. Please check out today's video. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's My Your Bijoux Box. That one was an awesome one, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. Just Wyatt joining me today. It is cool outside this morning right now, 64. Supposed to get up in the high 70s, not quite hit 80, but I think it's still going to be a beautiful day, hopefully. For today, I chose I think this is a Lulu top, definitely from Natalie Attired. It has the fun little pocket here on the side. Is that not cute? But I did tuck it in, put a loft tank on underneath it in that same nudish color. My skirt is also from the loft. And then I almost put leopard shoes on today, but I know I've been wearing them a lot lately. So I threw on my Matisse shoes so I'd feel a little taller today. And my jewelry, I have on my necklace that I got in my latest Curateur box. My earrings are gold hoops my husband bought me. My bracelet is Glamour Jewelry Box. And my ring is Stella Dot. And that's it for today. All right, so I hope everyone is doing well. We almost made it to Friday. It's coming close, right? And we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, guess what? It's Friday. Happy Dance Day. Friday. Huh. Wyatt's so excited. He's outside. The sun's shining. Zena's excited. It's 73 right now, but it feels warmer. It's going to get up to 81. It's not quite noon yet. Wyatt's raising the roof. He's so happy. Huh, Wyatt? You're so happy. It's the weekend. You're so silly. Huh. All right, so it's time for outfit of the day. I know, kisses, huh? What do you think, Zena? You want to dance? You want to dance? No? All right, so it's time for outfit of the day. I chose for today this adorable romper from Fashom. I already forgot who makes it. I will try to put that down below for you. But I got this from Fashom. Love it. Pretty like blue and white stripe. I styled it with a necklace from Touchstone by Swarovski I got some time ago. The earrings are also by Touchstone by Swarovski. My bracelets, I feel like they are from one of my Oceanista. I'm pretty sure this bottom one is definitely from an Oceanista. This top one might also be Leah Sophia. It might be Leah Sophia actually, but I think this bottom one is from an Oceanista box. And my ring is Stella Dot, and I think that is everything except for shoes, which I have my clear ones on today that you've seen before by Dolce Vita that I got at Nordstrom. And that is everything for today. I hope everyone is doing well, and yeah, oh, I have to tell you, all right, so tomorrow we're going to have to talk because I have to tell you what I kept from my Wantable. So I think I did decide today I posted my Wantable Active Edit. I think that was my first Stylebox this week, huh? I think so. Huh, Zena? Yeah, it's the first time I posted clothes this week. Was today, Friday. It was a good one, though. It was a good one, but I don't think I'm going to keep everything. I think I'm only going to keep a couple of my favorite items because I have another good one posting for you tomorrow you're going to want to check out. So check them both out. Really, really good. All right. We'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for outfit of the day. I'm up early trying to get stuff done. Have some videos I want to film for you that I am excited about. Yeah, before the sun comes out and I want to get in the pool, right? All right, so the gang is all here, but they're all hiding from you. There's Wyatt. Zena, can you see her? There she is. There's her body anyway. All right, so outfit today, I have on a cut from the cloth top I got last year from the cut from the cloth site. I don't love the ties hanging, so I did a little tie here and just let it go. I have on just black shorts in that pink, which I think you saw when I was trying to show you Zena and Wyatt, that I got in a Natalie Attired. Yeah, I just kept from my Fashom, right? Yeah, that I just kept from my Fashom. And what else? My earrings. I think all I put on was earrings today, which are kind of blingy. They're much more blingy than I had expected. I got these from Stella Dot. I like them. They're super pretty. And I don't have any other jewelry on because I'm going to be busy, and then hopefully I'm going to relax a little bit today in the pool, which is what I'm hoping for, because I have a ton more to get filmed for you tomorrow. I had cleared everything out, and then somehow it just got crazy busy again. All right, let's talk about my wantable yesterday. I filmed with Linda. So we had, the one before that, my active edit. I have not decided about my wantable yesterday with Linda. Linda was able to get them to let her keep 4 and get the discount. So I haven't heard which 4 she's keeping for sure yet. So I'll let you know probably next week. Yeah, once she confirms with me what she's keeping. So I will fill you in on what we're keeping from that wantable next week. Sorry, I hope you do check today's video with our double wantables, 2 style edits. Mine was the out of office edit, super cool, and Linda's was her regular style edit. Okay, and then Fridays, yes, was my active edit, which was a super good one. However, I think I've already decided I'm only keeping 2 items, which was basically, I think, the first outfit I shared. The pretty cropped legging by, I think this was by Gotex, yep. And the black tank, the Weekend Warrior tank, I'm going to keep that as well. I decided not to keep the Beyond Yoga bra because I already do have that exact color. If it was black, I probably would have kept it, but since that berry color is kind of unique, I'm not going to keep it because I already own it, so I don't need to. And I did love the joggers. I thought they were a great basic, but I think I'm going to get other boxes, other things. I'm not going to keep them. And that's it. So just the 2. All right, you're all caught up now, and I'm going to do my wrap up, but my husband and I are supposed to have date night tonight, and I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be wearing this. I'm going to try to sneak it in at the end, but in case I don't, I will list all my items down below. A lot of them came from boxes, so I obviously will put all my links to all the boxes down below as well, but if I can link to the exact item, I will for you. Please share your most favorite outfit. Hope you enjoyed this video, and will hit that like button and hang out with us for the long haul and hit that subscribe. For all of you who already have subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And in case I don't get that date night outfit in, I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. Hey, everybody. I'm actually getting my date night outfit in. I can't believe it. So I chose the Peyton Jensen strapless black Ponte bodysuit for date night tonight. And then I accessorized with my black studded Dolce Vita sandal. How awesome are these? I think I might have bought these from Macy's, I'm pretty sure. They have just that little bit of a heel, dressed it up just a bit, and I put on a little bit of glam with Touchstone by Swarovski necklace and bracelet and earrings. And that's it. That's my outfit. I can't believe I got it in here. All right, thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed this. And I know I already did my closing, so we'll see you next time.